And welcome back. More moisture has made our way through the overnight and even through the morning today. Lots of cloud cover out there, and the showers eventually did move into our eastern counties and dissipated. We have stayed mainly dry as we went into the late afternoon and evening, but another batch of rain is approaching. We'll see how far east it makes it before it eventually dissipates. Here's a look at the high temperatures today. So even under the clouds and with the moisture, we had enough of a southeasterly wind to hit 70 degrees in North Platte, lower 70s at Ogallala, mid-70s at Imperial, Lexington, Broken Bow, and up toward Valentine for high temperatures today. So we have since fallen into the mid-60s at North Platte, 67 at Ogallala, Imperial, and Valentine, 68 at Broken Bow and Lexington. There's your winds. Still southeasterly. That's been the case for the last 4 or 5 days and will remain the case as we make our way through most of the weekend. That southeasterly wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour. So as for the moisture, first off, we have more cloud cover working its way across the entire viewing area, and now this activity in northeastern Colorado and the Panhandle is about to enter our viewing area. So within the next half hour or so, could get some moisture out toward the Imperial area, Arthur, Grant, out toward Hyannis if it makes its way off to the east. But you can see it is dissipating, and we'll see how far east it does make it. Maybe it makes it to North Platte, Wallace, Hayes Center, but some of the models are saying it does start to dry out before it gets in our direction. Other than that, we had this frontal boundary which did spark off showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the higher elevations out into Wyoming and Colorado. They seem to dry out before they make their way further east, but the main lows well off to the north and south, we're keeping that strong southeasterly wind. Severe weather chance as we go through the day tomorrow doesn't look like much for us. Our far western cities in a marginal risk, meaning 1 or 2 storms could be severe, but for the second day in a row, we have that slight risk, scattered showers and thunderstorms that could be severe into the Panhandle in northeastern Colorado. And already issued for Sunday a marginal risk for what looks like most of the viewing area, so 1 or 2 storms in the daytime heating for Sunday could even turn severe. Main threat is going to be hail. Maybe over quarter size, maybe also a wind gust over 60 miles per hour. So watch out for some thunderstorms over the weekend. That stuff we're tracking now will move off to the east and dry up pretty quickly. We'll actually have partly cloudy skies to start off the day tomorrow. Temperatures getting into the upper 50s for lows and highs for tomorrow into the mid to upper 70s. This model says mainly dry. The moisture once again developing in southeastern Wyoming, moving across the Panhandle, and it might get into our viewing area or might dry up, so we only put the moisture chance around 30-40%. This one has a shower on Sunday morning. That's always possible, but we'll do it all again on Sunday, which looks like the better chance for us. High temperatures into the mid to upper 70s, still a strong southeasterly wind, breezy to windy conditions through the weekend and beyond. But for Sunday night, that looks like the best chance of having some thunderstorms with some heavy rain, so watch out for that. We should get more moisture. So that frontal boundary just stays put. The lows move off to the north and south. We keep that southeasterly wind. The low will stretch across the Rockies, so we're going to have to deal with this before we get back into dry weather. High pressure works its way in for Monday and Tuesday as the chances for some showers and storms fall to around 20%. Other than that, for your holiday weekend, we do have the moisture chance up and down the Rockies, the Pacific Northwest, and even southern Canada along with the northern plains do have rain chances along with one low off the southeast giving them rain. Best chances to be in terms of sunshine in the Midwest, Northeast, and the warmest air in the desert Southwest. Here's a look at the extended forecast, 76 for the next 2 days. Chances, we'll put a 30% chance Saturday, 40. That number might even be a little higher for Sunday. We'll see what happens. And then 20% chances Monday and Tuesday, partly cloudy, low to mid 80s, 83 on Wednesday. We'll keep a 40% chance of showers and storms Wednesday and Thursday, high of 77 for Friday, and we're back up to 50%. Tristan?
Quite an interesting forecast for that holiday travel, Justin.
Yeah, watch out if you're traveling Sunday night. Monday looks drier. That's Memorial Day. That's pick of the weekend.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Justin. AAA says that 42 million Americans will travel 50 miles or more over this Memorial Day weekend. About 37 million are expected to drive a record of nearly 3.5 million.